Hello student, I welcome you all again in third module of Pro chapter 1.4 Revati's musical plant. In the first and second module we came to know Revati's love for music, her love for plants and how she took care of the plants, and then finally she decided to participate in the exhibition which was going to held in her colony. But on the very important day, that is the day of exhibition, her plants were missing. Am I right? Yes. Revati was shattered when she saw that her plants are not in the courtyard. She doesn't want to go to the exhibition, but on the request of her friend, half-heartedly she went there, and she was surprised, totally shocked when she saw her plants were also kept there in the exhibition, wearing the name of her distant neighbor. Now what happened next? Let's start with the page number 19 of your textbook. So sit quietly, take a pencil also to write down the important meanings and the important points, and listen me carefully. The organizers were not convinced. They said, "How can you prove that plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her?" So students, here we are told that Revati made a complaint to the organizers, but the organizers were not convinced, means they were not satisfied. They were not assured about this complaint. So they asked her how could she prove the ownership of the plants. On the other hand, the lady who submitted here means presented, was the regular participant. So they can't doubt her authenticity. Next para. Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin, they started laughing. So students, now Revati was wondered, or you can say perplexed or confused. She sat there and was thinking that how she can prove that plants are hers. She sat there for some time and pondered on the situation. Then she remembered how her plants love her music. They turned towards her whenever she played on her violin. So now she went to the organizers and told them that she can prove that plants are hers. And to do this, she hastily fetched her violin from her home. But on this, everyone in the exhibition started laughing at her. They made fun of her. Coming to the next paragraph. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. Ridicule means making fun of someone, and deter means discourage, and mission here means an important task undertaken. So which task Revati has taken? Yes, to prove that plants are her. So however, these organizers and other people in the exhibition made fun of her, but all these things couldn't deter or discourage her. I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lover like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. So Revati said confidently that she knows her plant very well, and they share a secret with her, and her plants like her also the music lover, and you will see how they respond whenever she play to them. The next para is, they all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, "Do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music?" No one believed her. So obviously student, when the organizers and other people in the exhibition came to know about this new secret, everyone started laughing at her more louder than earlier. Obviously, it was difficult for them to digest that how the plants can enjoy the music. So they also asked silly questions like, do the plants have ears like them, or really they listen the music? And no one was ready to believe this fact. Moving to the next para, she felt very dejected. Dejected means sad or disappointed, but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near the plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Which was her favorite raga? Yes, the Raga Mohanam. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time. But the other could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stem bent towards Revati, as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. So students, here we are told that however, when no one was believing on Revati about this new phenomena, about this new secret, she felt sad, she felt shattered, but to win her plants back, she sat there near her plants and started playing on her violin. So Revati get engrossed, or you can say engaged or gripped in her music, and she forgot about her plant for some time, but others were not. They were looking at the plants with surprise and were wondered how the plants were moved straight first and then bent as I told you, turned slightly towards her. Revati continued on her violin. On the other hand, it seemed as the plants wanted to touch her. They were very happy. They were happy to see her their owner once again. The organizers were stunned. Stunned means totally shocked, astonished, or amazed. So, obviously, to see this new phenomena, this new occurrence, the people and the organizers present there were shocked. They were wondered. They were astonished to see this new phenomena. They had watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that plants were hers. So students, organizers were amazed to see this totally new phenomena. Phenomena means a new occurrence or observable fact. And what was this new fact? Yes, that plants respond to music. And this young lady, this young girl, Revati, proved it. And of course, everyone present there applauded her. Applauded means praised her by clapping. Coming to the last para, they pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. So student, this is how Revati proved her claim on her plants. And the organizer also pulled her neighbor up, means they made her neighbor realize about the mistake, the wrong deed she had done, and also accepted that she has stolen Revati's plant. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. So students, here we are told that Revati's neighbor also told the story how she has stolen the plants from Revati's house and how she kept it in the contest. And no one doubted her. Reason was because she was a regular participant in this exhibition. But students, all's well that ends well. And Revti's belief in her conviction helped her to claim her plants back. Authorities also awarded first prize and Revti went to home proudly with prize, trophy and her pots of plants. Students, hope you like this story very much. Read the textbook for 2-3 times and can also watch these videos again and again for better understanding. Have a good time. Keep learning, rise and shine.